This is a Handful Players production. Improv is a theatrical technique where actors perform a piece, whether it be dance, music, or theater, that is not planned and is not scripted. The following scenes you are about to see have not been prepared by the actors. They are completely out of the blue.
Doctor!
Yes. How may I help you?
Hold on.
Okay, catch your breath, it's okay.
I just ran all the way here.
Yes.
From the other side of the ship.
Uh-huh.
And I need you, I really need you to look at this thing. It's a little embarrassing, but
Well, show it to me. Where is it?
Okay. So the reason why I ran over here was because I've kind of been putting it off for a while.
I understand.
I thought it was just gonna, get better.
That's fine. I never really get patients here, so this is, come on, just let me know what it is. Let me put my medical school practices into examples. Come on, let's go.
So what had happened was I was on the upper level of the cruise ship.
Absolutely.
And while I was in the pool, I had stubbed my toe.
It's a toe, okay.
And it hurt real bad, but then the next day it wasn't hurting. It was like, hey, please, over. And
exactly.
Then I woke up this morning and, it was a little painful, but I was like, this is probably just normal. It's probably just healing itself. So
probably not. Probably not. This almost never ends, but,
I went to the dining hall, stubbed my toe again.
Oh, goodness.
And now there's blood everywhere. And it just won't stop bleeding, but it doesn't hurt. It hurted this morning, but right now it doesn't hurt.
Well, let me see.
Running over here probably caused a lot more blood.
Well, let me see the toe.
Okay. Are you ready?
Oh my God. That is the worst toe I've ever seen. Oh my God. Oh my God.
The worst?
Yes, listen, okay, this is not great news.
Am I gonna have to cut it off? What do you mean?
Calm down. But don't worry, because this is actually good news. I learned about this in my final year residency. You have a very rare fungus on your toe. Oh my God, it's like 0.0001%, and I get to treat it, which means that I'm going to be in the news. It's fine.
The news? I can't have this ugly toe on the news. That's going to ruin my whole reputation.
Don't worry. You'll be famous. I'll be famous. It's perfect, okay?
You'll be famous for fixing my toe.
Exactly.
I'll be famous for being that girl with the nasty toe.
Famous fame. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. So I already have the tincture. Don't worry. I'm going to give it to you right now. Okay? So here's the shot. Here we go.
Oh,
don't worry. It's going to be fine, okay? Now, I'm going to call the news station, okay? And they're going to come and they're going to interview us, okay?
No. You already gave me the shot. What's the point of calling the news station?
Because it's going to take a while. You want to make sure it works, right? So don't worry. Okay, so I'll be back. Just sit down and relax, okay? All right, bye.
Honey, come on. The park is going to close in less than an hour. We've been here.
Mom, that is not true at all. We didn't get to go on anything. The lines were so long. We did not go on but 2 rides. We spent all of this money. This is supposed to be my birthday. And this... Mom.
Please don't cry. How many kids want to go to Disneyland and never get to go to Disneyland?
And it's not closing. Why would you just get 1 day pass? And don't understand. Why would you do that, Mom? Why would you do that? You know that we can't get anything done in 1 day. You're so cheap.
Okay. I am not going to argue with a child. I am the adult. Please listen. Honey. Okay. I love you. I care about you. That's why I brought you to Disneyland on your birthday. We're Summertime, okay? There's a lot of people.
It's a wall
A
small
lot of
world.
people do that in the summertime. That's why the lines are so long. You still go on rides, didn't you? Didn't you still go on rides?
Mom,
Listen.
can we just come back tomorrow?
Listen, we live 4 hours from Disneyland.
Well, let's get a hotel.
You think you got money for a hotel? You got hotel money?
Yes, I have birthday money. But I shouldn't have to spend it because you were supposed to be taking care of me.
Okay, yeah, no. All of this ungratefulness.
I don't want to hear anymore. Bye.
Bye? What do you mean bye? You better bring me, come over. All right, that was me and Mr. Jourdán showing you some of our own improvised scenes. Please click on the next video so you can learn how to make your own scenes at home. All right? I can't wait to see you over there, and I can't wait even more to see the scenes that you make. So make sure that if you're able to, you videotape yourselves and send them in so me and Mr. Jourdán can check out your scenes. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.